So this is an update on our Cessna 172 project. We keep assembling the kit. Check it out, guys. We had to improvise with some weights because see the instructions suggests that we add like 15 grams of weight into the nose of the airplane in order for it to stand on its gears. Okay, it doesn't specify, which place we have to add it to, so we had to improvise. We just get some stuff you see here, some keys, unused keys, and we get some bearings, balls, bearing balls. Just applied them under the dashboard of the airplane. Just use some milliband putty to basically just glue them in. Had some chunks of metal under the seats. It will not be visible from outside. Okay, this is the cockpit setup, and as I said before, we had to use some metal junk, some keys. We glued it in between the halves of the wings, so they will go like this, and they will be inside of the wing. Also, we will glue one key inside of the fuselage here. It will be covered up by the floor of the cabin, of the cockpit. Okay, all of this is because the model is really tail heavy, and basically if we don't do that, the airplane will sit on its tail. It's a curious fact that even in reality, the Cessnas tend to do that. If you make some mistakes with the center of gravity, if you put too much baggage into the baggage compartment or something, if you have some heavy people in the back, the airplane can actually do that. Check out where is the CG, the center of gravity of the airplane. It's basically here, and this is the axis of rotation. See, the airplane on the takeoff rotates around this main landing gear wheels. Okay, so it's gonna rotate like here, like so. Okay, so that's why they put the center of gravity very near to the axis of the main landing gear. Okay, but as we're building the model, in the actual airplane, the really heavy engine outweighs all of that, because the engine is here in the nose of the airplane. It's the heaviest part of the airplane, but the model is going to be made out of plastic, so we have to add a lot of weight to the nose of the airplane, but we cannot use the actual nose because the motor is going to be there. Okay, as you can see, we're planning to build the motor, this guy, and put it in here, and we also planning to open the hood. Maybe we will scratch this hood and we'll remove it so that the engine will be seeable and you will be able to see the engine. Just remove the hood, see the engine inside, just put the hood back, so the model will be more interactive and interesting. Okay, so that's the update, you guys. Thanks for watching.